Next we have to move the portable grinding. The portable grinder is the easy to handle to take place into one place to another place. We have to portable grinder. This is the motor. The motor is the portable handling. We have to should be located in all places. This is the grind guard, wheel, handle. This is called portable grinder. Abrasive belt. This is the abrasive belt grinder. Should be using in abrasive coated belt. Abrasive coated belt. We have to do base and work table. The workpieces should be placed in the in a belt side. The belt moving in place to belt connected in motor. Motor will be run. The belt moving in one place to another place. We have to workpiece should be removing the material. This is the abrasive process. Next another one is swing frame. Swing frame is the one of the tie up and swinging in the grinding wheel. The swing frame is the balancing weight and frame. They have to guard and handle wheels. This is the swing frame grinders. This one of the surface grinding. Surface grinding is the wheel head, column, bed and wheel guard, work table, workpiece, saddle and feed. This is the surface grinding. This is the grinding wheel, guide for balls, finished ground balls, rough ground balls, horizontal spindle reciprocating table. This is the horizontal spindle reciprocating table. Table base, column, guide base. This is the wheel head, grinding wheel, depth of cut. This is horizontal spindle reciprocating table. Horizontal spindle reciprocating table, surface grinder. These horizontal spindle reciprocating machines, we have to workpiece should be placed on table. We have the horizontal spindle reciprocating table. Surface grinding. Surface grinding is an abrasive machining process in which grinding will remove material from the plain flat surface of workpiece. Grinding wheel, work part. This is the grinding wheel work part. Another one of the grinding wheel. One of the wheel is rotation, another one of the wheel is opposite direction, one of the wheel is horizontal rotation. Okay, this is the four type of surface grinding with horizontal or vertical spindle with reciprocating linear motion and rotating motion. Reciprocating linear motion and rotating motion of the workpiece. First you have the horizontal, second one of the vertical. Okay, third one of the reciprocating linear motion, another one of the rotating motion. This is the surface grinding methodology. Next one of the cylindrical grinding. This machine is the cylindrical grinding machines. Cylindrical grinding machines involved in grinding wheels, grinding face, grinding wheel spindle, workpiece, work centers, face plate, dock. This is the four movements. This is the cylindrical grinding. Cylindrical grinding is the workpiece rotate and the grinding wheel rotate. Two of the wheels rotating and removing the abrasive particles. Another one is the precision grinding. Precision grinding is the cylindrical grinding. Cylindrical grinder is the moving in the driving plate and the wheel to rotate in same direction. The tool feed is in the moving. This is called cylindrical grinding. Type of cylindrical grinding: traverse grinding, line center type cylindrical grinding. First discuss about the traverse grinding. The traverse grinding should be placed on grinding wheel. The traverse in one place to another place. The workpiece moving. The workpiece should be top side on moving about the sides. This is the grinding wheel. Another one, plane type cylindrical grinding. The plane type cylindrical grinding: head stroke, workpiece, grinding wheel, tail stroke, upper table, lower table. This is called base. Adjustable tip torque for reversing table. Table reversing lever, movement of the table for feeding. Center type universal grinding. The center type universal grinding wheel head swivel, head stroke swivel, upper table swivel. This is the universal swivel. Okay. Thank you, students.